Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change letter spacing of text in Elementor. So let's start. The first thing I will do, I will just add some heading and I will change the color to white. So what you want to do is how to change the letter spacing of text. You want to go to style, then just press this pencil and you're gonna see here the letter spacing. And you can edit it as much as you want. Also, you can change the mobile mode, and you can see it how it's going to be on mobile, and change it on mobile so it's different. It's really up to you what you do. So this is how you do it, and this is how you can change the letter spacing. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. Thank you everybody, and have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.